Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the device so the booster can act effectively. Make sure your OS is updated and battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions while you optimize. Once done, close unnecessary background apps and temporarily disable VPN or proxy services because they mask real network conditions. Next, open the Connection Stabilizer booster and grant required permissions like location and network access so the app can scan and prioritize connections. This initial setup lets the booster measure baseline performance accurately. You now run a comprehensive network scan so the app can identify weak channels and interference sources. Let the scan complete, then review the recommended profile. You can accept it for quick gains or customize advanced options such as co-S priorities, alternate DNS, and MTU size for specific apps. Once configured, enable Auto Boost and set a schedule so the app intervenes when signal degrades. Make sure to test video calls or gaming after applying changes to confirm latency and packet loss improvements. Finish by monitoring real-time statistics to verify stabilization and lock your preferred band, whether 2, 4 or 5 GHz, for consistent throughput. If you still experience persistent latency or dropouts, reboot your modem and router to clear caches and re-establish clean connections. This often resolves lingering routing issues. If problems continue, export diagnostics and either revert to the previous profile or contact support with the export. One quick troubleshooting tip: if speeds suddenly drop, toggle airplane mode for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.